I'm Kim Grennan.
And I'm Bob McBride.
We're with West Plains United Country. We're super excited to introduce you to a spectacular 202-acre farm that is located just on the edge of West Plains, and it has blacktop surface.
It's 85% well-maintained pasture. It's fenced and cross-fenced, has 10 ponds, 2 wells, working facility.
And there's a barn and a shop. Let's go take a look. There's just so much to talk about in this home. It obviously has an open concept, but there's a beautiful native stone stacked fireplace. You've got this gourmet kitchen with custom cabinets, granite countertops, and to top it off, wood burning cook stove.
This shop could be a perfect man cave.
Or it could be guest or living quarters, since it comes complete with a kitchen and a bath.
For more information about this exceptional farm,
give Bob or me a call, and you can reach us at 417-293-7277 or visit our website, westplainsuc.com.